Mahashweta Devi was an award-winning fiction writer in Bengali who dramatized some of her own stories. She was a social activist who worked for the empowerment of tribal communities. She was honored with various literary awards like the Sahitya Academy, the Gyanpith and Raman Magsaysay Awards, along with the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan Awards. We are proud to present her works on her 94th birth anniversary, which fell on January 14th. She passed away in July 2016. The theme of the play, Bayan, written in the early 1970s, is in keeping with Mahashweta Devi's preoccupation with the ills of caste, feudalism, patriarchy, and repressive social and ritualistic practices. It is the story of a couple, Malindar Gangaputta and Chandidasi Gangadas, both belonging to the community of the Dome, cremators of dead bodies on the ghats or the banks of rivers. Malindar's task is to light the cremation fires, and Chandidasi, the wife, is entrusted by ancestral tradition to bury the bodies of dead children. While respected by the community for fulfilling a social need, she is suspected by several of them of being a Bayan, someone who kills children merely by casting an evil eye on them. Over time, these people succeed in convincing Malindar that his wife is indeed a Bayan. In this excerpt, translated in Bhojpuri by Sabina Mehta Jetli, we see Chandidasi, filthy, famished and forlorn, slowly losing her mind. She imagines that her long dead pet dog, Jhumra, is still by her side. Seeing her thus, a remorseful Malindar finally tells their son that Chandidasi is his mother.
Sovat Bal Gopal Palnama Sovat Bal Gopal Dheere Dheere Jhulawori
Places the canister on the ground, brings down the pitcher of water from her head, stops for a while before addressing an unseen dog.
आई तनिक सबर कर, ये कनिस्तर भर दई तुम्हारे लिए। आजा 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 बिटवा, अरे भागत का है? हाय कन्हैया, अब हमरा कौन हो नारी?
Rocking an imaginary child in her arms.
ऐसन डोलाते रहे बिटवा को, दूध पिलावत रहे, इतना दूध छाती माँ जैसे कोनो बाढ़ आ जावत। ऐ झुमरा, भूखा है का? देत हमका राशन हर सनीचर को, हाँ, एक मुट्ठी भात, कचरा से भरा नमक और दाल जिसमें कीड़ा रेंगत रहे।
Listens eagerly.
है, गंगा पुता आए रहे। ऐ झुमरा, चल चल हट जाने उनका रास्ता से। आजू का सब बता दे, सब कैसन जुलम हम पर ढाए रहे, काहे कैसन हम?
Moves to one side, turning her head away. Bhagirath and Malindar enter, conversing.
टीचर बताई कि अब की बार स्कॉलरशिप पक्की है बाबा, लेकिन वादा करो होगा बड़े स्कूल में डालोगे। बहुत महंगा होगा का?
महंगा तो हो ही, पक्का बताए टीचर।
गंगा पुता
She stands with her back to them. Malindar stops in his tracks and instinctively covers his eyes. He covers his son's eyes too and draws him closer.
गंगा पुत्र, ऐ डर काहे रहे, चेहरा मोड़ लिए हैं हम।
ऐ देवी माँ, का इसी वक्त जब हवा पगलाए जात हुई हमरा नाम लेकर पुकारना जरूरी था।
ऐ तो बांध ली हो बालों और धोती माँ गांठ, बचवा का सर पर थूक दी हो, और जब ये सब हो जाए तो बताई देना।
थुक थुक थुक, हो जाओ।
Bhagirath raises his eyes to steal a glance at Bayan, but Malindar checks him in time.
आंख नीची कर भागीरथ।
भागीरथ? ऐ हमरा भागीरथ, हमरा बिटवा।
ए कुतिया, अब बंद कर ये सब। वो
Bayan dutifully turns away.
हम का मारना चाहत हुई, का इसीलिए यहाँ हमरा रास्ता रोक गई।
Covers her eyes, shivers and cries.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, देखो बालन का लिए तेल नहीं है, कैसे जुड़ गए हैं। मट्टी का तेल भी नहीं, घर में लालटेन जला ही नहीं सकत। गुरुवार से एक दाना चावल नहीं गया मुंह माँ, पानी पी पी कर पेट भर रही है। पानी तो लेवत आए रहे।
काहे सनीचर के सनीचर राशन नहीं छोड़े जा तू लोग तोड़े लिए। छातिम का पेड़ का कसम खात है वो कि हर बार छोड़ते रहे।
का दे थोड़े राशन वहां, आधा किलो चावल, मुट्ठी भर दाल, 50 ग्राम तेल और एक चुटकी भर नमक। ये पूरा हफ्ता कैसन चलाए?
रुपए दे दे।
हमका कौन कुछ भी बेचेगा।
आज ही हम तोहरे लिए सब खरीद उसी पेड़ का नीचे रख दे। अब जा यहाँ से भाग।
रात अकेले में कटत नहीं।
तो काहे बन गई बायन, हैं? जा अब जल्दी भाग यहाँ से, नहीं एक टिकाई दे।
He picks up his wooden clogs and hurls them viciously at her.
काहे मारे थे हमका? जा रही है। चल 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 झुमरा, नहीं तो आज भी पिटाई कर दे। चल
झुमरा? कहाँ हुई झुमरा? किसका बुलावत हुई?
ऐ तो रहा हमरे साथ, दिखत नहीं का।
बौरा गई का? झुमरा तो कब का मर गवा?
ऐ मर गवा तो हर वक्त हमरे आसपास कैसन मंडरात रहा, कोनो भूत होई का? चल चल ऐ झुमरा, चल यहाँ से।
She leaves.
ये कहा कि ये हम मक्खन से भी मुलायम था तनहू का, ऐसा जानवर कैसे बन गए हम?
Calms down and lights a beedi.
घर जा बचवा, हम बाजार जाए के उसका सामान खरीद कर पहुंचा देवे उसके पास। 2 दिन से कछु पेट में नहीं गवा उसके। और हाँ, अब घर जाएंगे अपनी दूसरी माँ से कछु ना बोलना। जौन जौन तू देखे सुने रहे यहाँ, कछु भूले नहीं हूँ।
बाबा, तुम बायन से बात किए?
Smiling mysteriously.
हाँ, तो का?
जोनो जिंदा इंसान बात करे बायन से, उका मौत नहीं आ जात। दूसरी माँ हमका कहत रही कि स्कूल से सीधा घर लौटो, अगर कनस्तर घसीटने का आवाज सुनाई दे तो भागो, नहीं तोरा खून भी जावत। और तुम तो बात कर लिए उससे। बाबा, वो तो का मार डाली है।
ना बचवा, वो हमका ना मारी है।
He strokes Bhagirath's head gently.
वो अब बायन बन गई रही, पर भागीरथ वो तो हार माँ हुई।
हमरी माँ बायन, हमरी माँ कैसन माँ?
तू ओही का कोख से जन्मा हुई बचवा। वो जैसन कौनो सुंदर ना हुई दुनिया में। कैसन रूप, कैसन लचा।
काहे बताए रहे हमका कि अब हमरी माँ हमारे छुटपन में ही मर गई? कैसे ऐसा काहे बताए?
यह तो मजबूरी थी हमरी कि हम तो का झूठ बोले। वही तो का अपनी कोख में रखी, तो का दुनिया मालाई, तो का अपनी छाती से दूध पिलाए। फिर वो बायन बन गई।
काहे काहे बायन बन गई?
हमरी फूटी किस्मत, की तोहरी हमरी। जौन एक बार बायन बन जावत, वो इंसान ना ही रहत। तो हम तो का बताए कि तुहार माँ ना ही रही। देखत नहीं का कि वो अब इंसान ना ही हुई।
हमरी माँ, उका पास ना कपड़ा, ना खाना, ना सरमा तेल।
का नहीं रहा ऊ का पास जब ऊ तोहरी माँ रही हमरी लुगाई। हम ओका लिए रंगीन धारीदार साड़ियां और पीतल पर चांदी चढ़े गहने खरीद खरीद कर देहिस, भरपेट खाना देहिस। बहुत बड़े कुल से थियो, 12 बरस पहले ले जात हम तुम सबका।
देख लियो मनिंदर, तो हुडी लुगाई यही बाइन हुई, हमरे बच्चन का मार डालने वाली। पूछा काहे नहीं, कहूं बचवा का छाती से लगाए नहीं, लोरी सुनाए रहेंगी।
हाय हाय, हम कोनो बायन नहीं, हमरा बिटवा तलक हमरा दूध पीवत रहा, इसी से छाती दूध से भर जाती। ए गंगा पुता, तुम तो सब जानत रहे, बोलते काहे नहीं कुछ।
Malindar comes close to her. He takes the lantern and peers closer into her face. They stand face to face. Malindar's eyes have a frenzied look. Chandidasi is terror-stricken. Malindar puts the lantern down. Then he mimes a wild drum dance, beating at the air with both his hands as he runs in a circle and screams.
हम मनिंदर गंगा पुता इधर पीठ कर ऐलान करत है कि हमरी लुगाई चंडीदासी पायल हो गई। पायल पायल
The next play is Ajir. Ajir, written in 1976, is the story of a Bandhwa Mazdoor who became a slave because of a bond signed by an ancestor. He discovers too late that the bond has long turned to dust. The story is a metaphor for traditional feudal constraints that bind an individual long after their legal authority has expired. In this excerpt, the old landlord's young wife, who lusts after Ajir, persuades him to run away with her, with the promise of returning the signed bond to him, which would finally free him. Patan lies on the ground, his hands covering his face. The mistress enters stealthily, all wrapped up in a shawl. Patan! Patan! Patan, dear! Hurt and grave.
I won't talk to you.
It must have hurt you a lot. But I fasted these 2 days since when I had you beaten up.
Why?
In repentance. Why don't you realize you're my life, my death?
The thunder growls. The Indra King's elephant raises his trunk and pours down volleys of water. The river's in spate. Why are you here on a night like this?
To take you away.
Where?
Looks all about.
Mistress Mother, it's a terrible night. One of those nights when my forefathers cry out to me, Patan, give us water. Patan, give us water. My body is possessed. Fire flows along my blood. Go away from here.
This is what she had been eagerly waiting for.
I'll take you away.
Where?
The world's large, enormous. Didn't you say that?
On a night like this, the god the boy sighs. The witches and fiends can't breathe up there. They set their hair flying and fly into the world of living men. Who are you? Dressed up like this? Made up your hair. Your lips are red with the juice of palm.
He throws her shawl off.
What are you up to?
The mistress of the house is all decked up in ornaments. She looks dazzlingly beautiful, a stone goddess come to life, her eyes inviting passionately, overpoweringly.
All this jewelry? It's kept locked up in the master's chest. Who are you?
He looks to the ground.
There's your shadow on the ground. So you must be Mistress Mother. When you come to me dressed up like this, you are no longer a mother to me. My blood rose and you drive me towards hell.
Come with me.
Come. But where can I go? Where is there a place without a master? Without the villages? Without you? With the archers bond? Is there a country where the drought-scorched people don't dance in glee at the sight of an archer's blood? No, I'll go nowhere. What my forefathers did. There. You can hear them. My forefathers, all of them crying for water.
He raises his eyes upwards.
Hey, you bastards haunting the cremation ground. Why are you so thirsty? Weren't you born in the lap of famine and didn't you die in his lap? Then how can you be thirsty? No, I won't marry ever. I won't continue a family of archers. You bastard, go to Kura. For a paltry 3 rupees, you signed an archer's bond and left generation enslaved for life. I'll bring your line to an end. If there is no death for the archer's bond, I'll finish it off with my death.
Parton! Parton raises his eyes pathetically to the skies, shaken with sobs, shaking his head vigorously in a voiceless gesture of negation.
Parton, dear, I didn't come to drive you to damnation. I came to set you free.
She holds Parton by the hand, shakes him to convince him.
I have come to set you free.
He shuts his eyes and walks away a distance, then opens his eyes.
The master?
He's not home. They've all rushed to Punashashi's house to celebrate the ring. The orgy's on. He'll be back only at the end of the night. I removed the keys in the afternoon, took all the jewelry from the chest and put it on. All the money, your archer's bond, bound in a gamcha, all tied in a band around my waist.
Have you got it with you? My archer's bond?
Yes, it's with me. Come with me. If Bechan comes and gives the news, they'll slaughter us like buffaloes.
Let's go then.
Let's go to the field of the Dubois Baba where I'll give you everything. Then we'll hide in the woods all night and the day after and get on the train tomorrow evening. Then the bus from Purulia. And they'll never catch us again.
Let's go. I'll go with you wherever you take me.
They leave hand in hand and then re-enter from the other end, panting.
I've hurt my feet on the stones. Oh, they're bleeding.
Give me my archer's bond.
There's no Hajir's bond.
Huh?
Take a look yourself. It's just a gamcha.
She takes it out and shakes it.
With the bond long turned to dust. There's no bond any longer.
That's a lie! The bond's in your chest! You left it behind to have me float again!
Parton dear, listen. Listen to me. There's no bond to bind you. It's all turned to specks of dust. Look at me. Look at me. Where do you hope to find a woman as luscious as me?
You drag me down to damnation and then you don't give me my bond?
Parton!
Parton does not let her finish her sentence, holds her by the throat, shaking her, strangling her, shouting at her.
Give me the bond, you bitch! Tell me where you keep your key. Let me see for myself. Give me the key, the key!
The mistress of the house drops to the ground, raises a hand clutching at the air in a last desperate gesture before falling senseless. Parton rummages in her clothes till he finds the key. He rises to his feet even as the thunder roars and an ominous chorus growls.
Arjun, you, and Arjun, you, no escape for you, no escape for you, no life for you, no world for you, and Arjun, you, no escape for you.
Parton has the look of a haunted, scared beast.
Who's there? Who are you? An archer can have everything once he tears the archer's bond to pieces. He can have everything.
He stops in the middle of a sentence at the entrance of Matang and the mob.
He's caught. We've got him.
They catch Parton.
No,
falls on his wife.
Wife! 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 You killed her!
Why didn't she give me my artist's bond?
How could she? I haven't seen it myself. My father hadn't seen it. It had turned to dust long ago in this gumcha in which it had been long once upon a time.
So you mean to say there was no artist's bond after all?
No, there wasn't.
There wasn't?
No,
It was never there!
never.
Ah!
Silence all around as the mob lets Parton leave. Parton quietly offers them his hands. हजार चौरासी की माँ. हजार चौरासी की माँ was written in 1974 against the backdrop of the Naxalite movement. It is the story of a middle-class mother who attempts to understand her son after he is killed during his activism. This story was made into a national award-winning film starring Jaya Bachchan.
एक बेंच पर पास ही नीतू बैठा है. जीप के रुकने की आवाज. सरोज पाल अंदर आता है. हाथ में गुड़ है. सार्जेंट खड़ा होता है, सैल्यूट करता है.
साहब कहाँ है तुम्हारे?
ओसी साहब राउंड पर गए सर. साहब के लिए चाय जल्दी से. बैठिए सर, बस आते ही होंगे.
मैं उत्तर की ओर गया था एक शिकार को ढूंढने के लिए. वो तो मिला नहीं. सोचा मैंने लौटते समय तुम्हारे साथ से मिलता चलूं. मैं उनके लिए गुड़ लाया हूं.
नीतू ने अपना चेहरा घुमा रखा है.
क्या हाल है इधर के?
ठीक है सर, इधर कोई ऐसी खास बात नहीं हुई.
नीतू की ओर देखते हुए खड़ा होता है, बोलते बोलते.
ये कौन है?
सर ये चाय की दुकान पर मारपीट कर रहा था.
उसकी ओर जाते हुए.
नीतू.
नीतू सहमा हुआ सा चौंक कर उसकी ओर देखता है.
तो आप यहाँ हैं. तभी मैं सोचूं कि इधर आपकी खबर क्यों नहीं मिल रही.
आप इसे जानते हैं सर?
नहीं जानूंगा भला. Is नीतू a wanted man in the city? इसका केस देख लिया?
अभी नहीं लिखा सर.
तो ठीक है, लिखना भी मत. इसे मैं अपने साथ ले जाऊंगा. लो भाई, गुड़ खाओ.
नहीं, मेरी अभी इच्छा नहीं है.
अरे भाई लो भी. We are friends here. फिर तुम मेरे एरिया के लड़के हो. एरिया के बाहर तो मिलकर खुशी होती है. लो.
नीतू हिचकिचाता हुआ गुड़ ले लेता है. सिपाही चाय लाता है. सरोज पाल एक प्याला लेकर दूसरा प्याला नीतू की ओर बढ़ाते हुए सिपाही से.
सर्जेंट के लिए एक कप और लेकर आओ.
नीतू से.
लो.
नीतू हिचकिचाता है.
अरे ले लो भाई.
नीतू एक क्षण उसकी ओर देखकर प्याला ले लेता है.
That's like a good boy.
सिपाही जाता है. नीतू से.
तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? कोई नई खुराफात?
नीतू चुप.
Now come on. Don't treat me like your enemy. After all, we come from the same place. अपने एरिया के आदमी को देखकर खुशी नहीं होती?
नीतू जवाब नहीं देता. गुड़ खाता है, चाय पीता है.
पर देखो भाई, मुझे तो अपनी ड्यूटी करनी ही पड़ती है. पुलिस ऑफिसर क्या है? A sentinel of the astray from radicals like you. Mad radicals.
ये आप सोचते हैं.
रुको. ये बहस का समय नहीं है. अब रास्ते में कर लेंगे. पर मैं इतना कह रहा था कि पर्सन टू पर्सन, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग टू अनदर, मुझे तुम लोगों से कोई खास दुश्मनी नहीं है. पर मैं ये भी विश्वास रखता हूं कि जो कुछ तुम लोग कर रहे हो उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. वो केवल एक फुस पटाखे की तरह आवाज करके रह जाएगा. और इसीलिए उस धमाके के कारण, उसके फलस्वरूप मैं यहाँ के लोगों को उनके रोजमर्रा के जीवन में तुम्हें बाधा डालने नहीं दे सकता. चलो, काफी दूर जाना है.
नीतू को लेकर बाहर जाता है. अंधकार. थोड़ी देर बाद जीप के रुकने की आवाज.
आप यहाँ इस जंगल में मुझे क्यों लाए हैं?
सरोज पाल उसकी ओर देखता है कुछ क्षण, फिर
भाग जाओ. रन.
नीतू के कुछ समझ में नहीं आता.
जल्दी करो.
नीतू एक आध कदम पीछे लेता है और फिर घूमकर भागने लगता है. सरोज पाल उसे शूट. नीतू की पीठ में गोली लगती है. वो लड़खड़ाता है, घूमकर सरोज पाल को देखता है. थूकने की कोशिश करता है। सरोज पाल फिर शूट करता है। इस बार छाती पर गोली लगती है। वो गिर जाता है। हाथों के बल चेहरा उठाने की कोशिश करता है। थूकने की फिर कोशिश करता है। सरोज पाल फिर शूट करता है और इस बार उसके चेहरे पर। वो उठकर गिर जाता है, मर जाता है। सरोज पाल उसकी तरफ देखता है, फिर हाथ में पिस्तौल लेकर धीरे धीरे उसके पास आता है। एक घुटने के बल बैठता है।
Misguided youth. What lovely children. How inspired. But misguided. Misguided. A cancerous growth on the body of our society.
अब सुजाता और नंदिनी।
उन दिनों हमारे सोचने का यही तरीका था। नीतू हमारा विश्वास पात्र था, एक्शन में मारा जो गया था, इसलिए अनन्या भी हमारा विश्वास पात्र हो गया। हमने उस पर पूरा पूरा भरोसा कर लिया। जस्ट लाइक अ पैक ऑफ फूल्स। हमें कम से कम पहचान जाना चाहिए था।
क्या पहचान जाना चाहिए था? अनिंदियों को?
उस एक अनिंदियों को नहीं, उन सैकड़ों अनिंदियों को जो एक एक कर हमारे अंदर घुस गए, हमारे विश्वास पात्र बन गए।
सैकड़ों?
हाँ, जाने कितने। जैसे हमारा प्रोग्राम था वैसे उनका भी था, बिट्रेयल का। और आज तक मैं शायद इस पर विश्वास नहीं कर पाती। अचरज होता है बार बार। ऐसा सच में हुआ था क्या, या ये हमारा भ्रम था? रुपया, नौकरी, शान, शौकत क्या आदमी के लिए इतने महत्वपूर्ण हो जाते हैं, उसे इतना नीचे खींच लेते हैं?
धीरज रखो नंदिनी।
और किया भी क्या है इतने दिनों। तब ये सोचकर इतना दुख होता था, आज केवल ताज्जुब होता है, वो भी कभी कभी। और गुस्सा कभी आता है तो बस अपनी बेवकूफी पर, अपनी लापरवाही पर। जयचंद और मीर जाफर का इतिहास जानते हुए भी हमने इस बारे में कभी ख्याल नहीं किया, और इसलिए हम खत्म होते गए एक एक कर। बिट्रेयल, दैट वाज आवर अनडूइंग, आवर ओनली फेलियर।
Urvashi and Johnny. Urvashi and Johnny, written in 1976-77, is Mahashweta's metaphor for the emergency years, found in the cancer of ventriloquist Johnny's throat, which can no longer talk and sing freely as Urvashi, his companion and puppet.
I would address them. You, citizens of the sidewalk, you need happiness most. I'm Johnny. I'm here to seek out for you from all over the world the birds of happiness.
Knife-foot, merchant of happiness.
But they all yearn for happiness. So, I would start with a sad song. And his mama cries, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need, it's another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. And then sing of happiness. मैं बन की चिड़िया बन के बन बन बोलू रे.
Yes, you were speaking of freedom and happiness all the time.
You saw a free man all your life. You never recognized him.
My free man.
What do the rich know of freedom? If the beggars had a 4-anna bit in their pockets, they could have put Calcutta up for auction any day. You know, before I had Urvashi,
Then you were good.
your aunt had asked me to marry you.
You didn't. सब याद है मुझे. You, Ramana and I went to see, क्या film थी वो? Ratan. And then we sat under the monument. Ramana and you cut your hands with a dagger. Let your blood mingle to swear the oath that whoever survived would give the other one his last rites. Then you told me such a lot of things.
Tell me.
I wept. You dried my eyes. You told me, don't one-eyed one. I'm not leaving you because you're one-eyed. I'm going off to bring you back happiness.
You were wearing a rosy sari, a satin blouse. You were a smart one in those days.
Acha, did you ever notice that?
I did. But I was flying to bring back happiness. I had hoped to bring happiness back with me. Hand it out to all of them. Throw it all about. Bastards, I tell them. Bastards, go to sleep on the sidewalks. Eat your sattu, tie a handkerchief round your neck and watch the girls sing, laugh. And when you die, nobody goes to the court. Happiness is the greatest jewel one can find in life. I'd have Kohinoors for all of them.
And with that, you ran away. तू बुढ़ा हो गया है. You can't pay me the rent for your room. Urvashi, would Diane. You don't even have enough to eat for yourself, and she has nylon petticoats and Rolex cars.
You don't understand a thing, old one-eyed slumlord. How do you understand love? I'm in love with Urvashi.
Love! What hopes?
When you die, it'll only be the scavenger who'll come to collect you. The government will requisition the slum. A whore's estate goes to the government.
What? You could be so vicious. You're a lost one yourself. She's finished you off.
Points at Urvashi.
Devil. Devil! Devil!
We have our show tomorrow. I'll make love to you today. The lame one's honest. She couldn't help me. Gave me back the bottle. Cheers, darling. It's a night for love. My darling's left me love lorn.
Gulps from the bottle, brings it down, totters, then controls himself.
Why don't you tell me anything, dearie? My darling. When there's nobody around, you do talk to me. What's wrong today? Are you angry with me?
Shuts his eyes, opens them again.
Oh, I haven't had anything to eat now. That's why the booze hits. Why don't you speak? You know you're the only one I have in this whole wide world. How can you be so heartless? You won't speak to me at all? Who was it that laughed? Who's there? Hamid. Sorry, Hamid, I snatched her away from you. Does it still hurt you? Shalbatiya, I fooled you and ran away. And you, Dona Chenji. Yes, I ran away from your orphanage to have a look at the world. Was that a mistake? I ran off your hands to run after the birds of happiness. No, Reshman, I didn't deceive you. What are you saying?
You lost, Johnny.
No.
You lost. Cancer struck your Urvashi singing voice.
No.
You lost. Get lost. You lost. Get lost. You lost. Out of the game.
Never. Who's there to defeat me? Tell me. Yes, this is Johnny. Degenerates? Didn't I catch the birds of happiness and bring them to you? Who am I? Urvashi is my mistress. I'm her slave. Don't you know us?
No!
Didn't you ask her at the end of the show, how are you, Urvashi? And did she say every time, I'm happy?
No!
Yes! She always said it. Why don't you say yes? Doesn't she? Why don't you say yes? Why don't you leave me alone? I won't love you anymore. Get out, all of you. Get lost. No. There was nobody here. I was having visions. There's nothing. It's all lies. I got drunk, that's all. That's what's wrong.
Kneels before Urvashi.
Tell me you won't leave me, please. I'll die if I don't see you, if I don't hear you sing anymore. Shall I put the lamp out? Shall we make love in the dark? Shall I put it out?
Urvashi remains silent. Johnny puts his hands up to his face and breaks down. The opening of the show in the evening.
The Urvashi show! The Urvashi and Johnny show! The last show of the season! 19 passive admission! Buy your ticket and get in fast! Come, master, come! Brother, come! Sister, come! Little boy, little girl, come! Son-in-law, come! Grandpa, grandma, come! Come, everyone in! You haven't seen a show like this ever! Ladies and Right, Johnny? It's full house.
Urvashi will give you a show today, the likes of which you've never seen. Urvashi, say hello to the public. Hello, hello, hello public. Hey, Urvashi,
What are the tricks you have up your sleeve?
I can sing, can talk.
Why is your voice cracked?
Strange, pal, strange. Don't you remember you gave me ice cream?
Urvashi, won't you sing a song for us?
Which song? My voice is playing tricks this evening. May I sing softly?
Oh no! You must sing strongly.
In Hilogoni, in Hilogoni, in Hilogoni, Nili na dupatta.
How did you hurt your voice?
With all my boyfriends at me,
Speak then.
ask me.
Urvashi, what would you do if you had 1,000 rupees?
I'd have fun with Johnny.
And if you had 100,000?
I'd have fun with all of you.
A million.
I'll catch the birds of happiness and leave them with you.
Then
What's the matter? Why did you fall silent?
Why don't you speak?
We can't hear you. Are you feeling shy?
Yes, very.
Why is Johnny crying?
He's a fool.
Urvashi, how are you? How are we? Speak aloud the way you always do. We paid for the show and can't hear you. Don't you realize that?
what's the matter, Urvashi? Bring the show to a close at least.
I'm not well, my dear public. I've cancer in my throat. My voice goes mute. There's cancer there. I'll never laugh again. Never sing again. Never talk again. The Urvashi who'd catch the birds of happiness and bring them to you is not happy anymore. Do you know why? My voice has gone mute. There'll be no sounds from it anymore. I'm not well, I'm not happy, my public. How can you remain well any longer? My voice has been taken away forever. All your happiness.
What do you mean? What's wrong?
My voice is gone. I'm not well. Not well. I'm not well.
What's the matter? What's happened?
Not well. Not well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.